Area of a triangle by Heron's formula. The formula for area of a triangle given by Heron's is also known as Heron's formula, and it is given as area of a triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b and c are the sides of the triangle and s is semi-perimeter or half of the perimeter of the triangle, which is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Example: a triangle has sides 35 cm, 54 cm and 61 cm long. Find the area of the triangle. Solution: let A is equal to 35 cm, B is equal to 54 cm and C is equal to 61 cm. The semi-perimeter S is A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 35 plus 54 plus 61 by 2 is equal to 150 divided by 2 is equal to 75 centimeter. Area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is equal to square root of 75 into 75 minus 35 into 75 minus 54 into 75 minus 61 is equal to square root of 75 into 40 into 21 into 14 is equal to 939.12 square centimeter.